Another common question I get asked is what is the best evergreen plants for outside, which is a huge question because there is so many different types and it really does depend on your garden and personal preference as well.
Absolutely, it depends on conditions, your soil type, the environmental conditions. I have selected 3 that I like, Rebecca. The first one is the Mahonia. I love the Mahonia. It retains its foliage all year round, and in the deep midwinter, when there's absolutely nothing else happening in the garden, it produces a beautiful yellow flower. Another one I like is the Fatsia japonica. We might call it a contemporary planting mix, you know, with ferns, with hosta. It'll tolerate shade. It's a beautiful, almost tropical style plant. The old staple, the old reliable, the classic Euominous emerald and gold. A beautiful barrier plant as part of a shrub border or a mixed border as a backdrop. It'll occupy the space, creates great presence, retains that beautiful variegated leaf all year round, a really effective plant. I see that you've picked a few as well.
Yeah, I certainly have, Brian. I picked 3 of my favourite ones. The first is the heuchera here, and that's a good all-round plant. The second one I picked is the Cuba japonica. Yep. This one can be used as a shrub or it can be used if you wanted it as a part of a hedge, and it gets a beautiful red berry. And the third one then is the cordyline red star. I just think this one is absolutely stunning and I love the red colour in it. Yep. It can grow quite big as well, so it can be used as a statement plant in gardens. It looks quite well.